Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be doing this look. I'm sick, so don't mind the nasally kind of, all that good stuff. I'm sorry that I sound like this, and I'm sorry that I feel like this. I really just wanted to film today, and look at this phone case I just got in the mail. This is from Wish, guys. Like, I am in love with it. But today we're going to be doing this, but before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe at the button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like makeup looks like these, and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next, and let's get right into this look. First, we're using the Urban Decay Eden Primer Potion, and this is the first time I've been using this, and I actually really like this. I didn't know what to expect, but I'm like in love with it, to be honest. And now I'm just setting it with some translucent powder. And then we're going to go into my favorite palette at the moment, which is the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. And we're going into this lavender shade and putting it in the crease. These blend so good, like they blend so effortlessly into each other. Please excuse my voice, it's just like it's barely here. Next, we're going into this deep purple shade and putting that in the crease and in the outer corner. In my brows, I just have the Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade 4. Just gonna blend out that dark purple with this lilac shade that we used in the crease for the first shade. A little bit more color, which is gonna go in with this hot pink and pop that in the upper crease. Pretty much just patting it in there. I'm going to take this NYX Duochromatic Illuminating Powder. I'll list the shade down below and pop that on my brow bone. And then we're going to cut the crease with the primer potion, and I put the illuminating powder on my lid, but that part got kind of like, yeah, cut out. So we're going to go in with this blue shade and put that between the illuminating powder and that dark purple. And we're going to take this COVERGIRL eyeliner. I'm not sure the name of it, but that's the shade up at the top. And we're going to make a wing. Wasn't as intense as I wanted it to be, so we're just going to take this teal and pop that over the wing liner, and it stuck pretty well, to be honest. For lashes, we're going to take EYLURE Lashes, Kiss Glue, and PIXI Large Lash Mascara, and DUOCHROMATIC lashes. For primer, we're going to take this Pure Make It Matte stick and just get rid of our texture. And for our foundation, we're going to take MILANI Conceal and Perfect and blend it out with a Pract by Sigma Beauty blending sponge. I hated this concealer at first, but now I like it. It's the CoverGirl Vitalist concealer. I don't know what shade it is because it doesn't say, but yeah, basically applying this under my eyes. Then just doing some cream contouring with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is like my favorite highlighter, I swear. It's What's Up by Benefit, and I'm just taking it on a sponge and patting it on my skin. By the way, shout out to Benefit for giving me a new MacBook Pro. Yeah, I won one of the February contests at Benefit Club Pink, so yeah, new MacBook. Just taking Burberry Rose Gold highlighter and intensifying the highlight, of course. This is like my new favorite blush. This is Gold Rush by Benefit. For the lower lash line, we're going to take this PIXI liner in Velvet Violet and blend that in on the lash line and waterline, and then blend that out with the Hot Pink out of the Ultimate Brights palette, and then add some mascara. I really didn't like the lips, but I used their real double the line push-up liner, I think, and whatever it's called, I'll list it down below, and the Chloe Morello lip icing, and pretty much just applied it to my lips. That is the finished look, and I really appreciate you coming by and watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below what you want to see next, and I will see you in my next video.